Akyat kami, akyat. Akyat to see the picturesque view.
Para ma-record.
Yan o. Yan o, recorded na.
Yung mga puti, ang dami nilang kugat ng insekto.
Oo. Sensitive yan sila. Let's do. Akyat muna kami. So since Cinque is a national park and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, so hindi pwede yung malalaking barko. Okay. Ganda. Ang ganda.
Punta tayo ng ng ibang, to?
Amalfi naman.
Amalfi?
Yeah. Next time. Kita natin na-explore yung Italy, yung laki. Ciao! Sarap paligo!
Kaya nga
Woo! Grabe.
구성할 때 좀 여유 있게 상품을 구성하잖아요.
You go to the next town here in Cinque Terre.
Katya. Cinque Terre.
Buongiorno. Kumusta naman? Sige, kaya na mabuti.
Sarap matulog sa biyahe. Wala akong natandaan sa sa mga sinabi niya.
Focaccia, which originates here in Rosso in Cinque Ganda ng panahon, syempre maitim na po. But that's for the summer vacation. Buongiorno, mga kalakwatsa. Here again, you're in the Lagozzero here in Cinque Terre, particularly in the Nazza, one of the 5 towns.
then the railway was built, and so they got connected again to the rest of the landscape.
Okay.
That's what's protected. You can, restore a ruin, but you cannot add anything new to the landscape. You cannot build anything else. Porco Rosso, which side a little bit, it's just in time. But this area, remember the Navy base in the Gulf, so they needed to defend the Navy base here. And this is exactly like the ones in Normandy. And if you look above, you see there is a statue. That's St. Francis. You can tell because it's speaking to a dog.
So we are here in town of Monte Rosso in Cinque Terre. Ito yung last na namin na town. Katapos namin kumain ng lunch. Sobrang sarap. Seafood and spaghetti with anchovies, etc. That's the beach here in Monte Rosso. They have only one 4-star hotel there. Yun yung tok na yun. For sure because it's summertime, so mahal. Probably 400 euros.